We were at the Akangao travel office, and we were getting explained about our trek today through a huge map that they have in the office. They were pretty helpful, giving us gumboots for the trek and a lot of other information. And we were all geared up, looking forward for the trek.
We started our excursion with our guide Sandro. The first place was Ruta de Archidona. As you can see, this is the entry to the Amazon. We are just entering, and you can actually see that Amit has totally forgotten, very conveniently, that he has a wife who is walking behind him. After enjoying this route and getting some amazing shots, we are heading to our next destination, which is at Misawi. Misawi, it's so difficult to say this name, at Laguna Paikave. And here we enter Laguna Paikave with our guide Sandro. A truly magical, unique, and unforgettable experience being in a canoe ride, and especially when you know you're in the Amazons. What more do you want?
It's a beautiful lagoon. It's called as Laguna Picawe, which is um, just off the main tributary of the Napo River, and this is a heaven for birds. We just saw a spider monkey, actually two of them, and we saw a black-fronted tamarin. Everything here is a lifer for me because it's the first time I'm coming to the Amazon, and it's just amazing. We saw hoatzin, which is a very very typical Amazonian bird, um, and well, a lot of birds. It's going great.
We are here with Sandro. He has been super cool guide. He has shown us a lot of different species of birds, monkeys, butterflies. So let's see what Sandro has to say.
Bienvenidos a la Laguna Paicahue, donde se puede observar monos, aves, peces gigantes. Es un parque donde guardamos todas las especies como animales y aves, y visiten esta laguna. Bienvenidos.
I had left almost a gang of about 20 dogs back in India where I used to stay. I used to feed them, used to play with them. And this was a long, long time after almost about 3 months that I met this small little cutie pie. And he just stole my heart away, literally.
And this is our second canoe ride of the day. This lake is called Cielo de Azul, and it's beautiful. It's super hot, and since we've come from Quito, the weather is so different. We are sweating, This is the second canoe ride. I can show you. It's amazing. We've just started this, and stay tuned for more exciting things. See you. Bye bye.
For me, this was all so special. Coming from a small little suburb of Mumbai, and I was very lucky to be growing up in that suburb because it was surrounded by mangroves. I never knew that I would actually find myself in a canoe in the middle of the Amazon forest. For me, Amazon was always a part of a dream growing up because I could only see that in the television on the Discovery Channel and Animal Planet. But today, standing here on this canoe, trying to look at these different amazing natural biodiversity that Amazon had to offer, I can only thank the life that I have for all that I have done in my life and achieved and not achieved. This day today defines simply who I am. And I am absolutely, absolutely at peace in places like these, in wonders that the nature has to give us. And all the smallest thing that we can do is give it back by conserving it and making it safe for the next year to come, for the next generation to come.
Okay, guys, we are right now at Laguna Pakual in Misahuli, and we're going to start our night boat safari. There was a lot of activity just a while ago, a lot of birds, but the reason we're going to do this is to see what kind of nocturnal birds await us. We just saw a very rare bird, which is called as the common putu, and we're going to see if we can get some owls. It's going to be a crazy time. I'm trying to keep my voice low because the nocturnal bird activity is just going to start. So I'll keep you posted and let's see what's in store. See you. Bye.
We were on our way back to our Airbnb house, uh, trying to really make of what an amazing day we had, crossing this amazing bridge on the river Napo and hoping for an amazing, equally or more amazing day for tomorrow. Good night.